If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. The Tell Me bar appears in Access to the right of the last tab in the ribbon. The Tell Me bar helps you find the things you need to do quickly in Access without digging through the commands in the ribbon. To use the Tell Me bar in Access, type a search term or terms into the Tell Me What You Want to Do field to the right of the last tab in the ribbon, to then see relevant commands and command locations appear in a drop-down menu which you can click to perform. To select a command after entering a search term into the Tell Me bar, simply click the command in the drop-down menu to perform the command. Alternatively, after typing a search term or terms into the Tell Me bar, to search for the term or terms in the Help pane, click the link under the Get Help On command in the drop-down menu. This opens the Help pane as shown in the previous lesson and lists the help results for your search terms. You can close the Help pane by clicking the small X in its upper right corner. Alternatively, if you click into the Tell Me bar without typing a search term, a drop-down menu appears. In this drop-down menu, the Recently Used Actions section lists the last few commands you selected from the Tell Me bar if available, making it easier to repeat a function you may perform often. The Suggested Actions section lists commands you may want to try using. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.